Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we will be unboxing a new case from Casetify. It's Miss Hearts Evangelistas collaboration with Casetify. So let's see kung gaano ito kaganda. So this is available anywhere in the world. I-order lang po siya sa page nila. But I purchased this case from someone na legitimate na nagsusupply or nagsisell lang mga cases. So I want to show you how it looks like. Ayan. Okay, so this is the latest Heart Evangelista or Love Marie case in collaboration with, of course, Casetify. So this is for iPhone 16 Pro Max. I believe meron din silang ibang for other models such as 14 or 15 Pro Max and 15 Pro. Ayan, so very beautiful guys. So as you can see, the paintings. This is painting of Miss Heart Evangelista, canvas painting, and turned into a wonderful case for iPhones. So this is black. Ito po yung mga buttons. Ayan. Very pulido ang mga buttons. And I chose this one is black. Pero meron ding isa na matte black. I chose this one because dun sa mga previous case ko ng Casetify, I have noticed na medyo obvious yung fingerprint kapag, lalo na pag oily yung kamay mo, na obvious yung mga fingerprints sa mga gilid. Unlike with this one, na glossy finish siya, kahit mahawakan mo siya, parang lagi siyang bago. And of course, the quality ng Casetify, we all know na talagang drop protection. Meron siyang drop protection talaga for our iPhones. And of course, the Casetify Authenticity sticker. Ayan. So, you can scan this sticker in order to see whether your Casetify case is genuine. Ayan. So, as you can see, guys, hindi siya nakakasawang tingnan. Ang ganda-ganda niya. The colors are vivid, very bright, and match siya. Hindi nagmamarka. Sa tingin ko, it's fingerprint resistant. Kasi, para siyang glossy siya, pero na may pagkamat. Ayan. And may name siya, Love Marie. Ayan. So, totoo nga, ang chika na maganda siya talaga. So, for those who would like to buy, this is not a sponsored video, but of course, dahil super favorite at fan ako ni Miss Heart, I immediately got the interest to purchase this case when I learned na maglalabas siya. So, very pretty talaga siya, guys. So, sa yung mga naka-iPhone dyan, ayan. So, according to Miss Heart, these cases inspired to tell deeper stories about womanhood and identity. So, we all know na talagang si Miss Heart ay isang icon of fashion and beauty. And of course, aside from that, magaling siya mag-paint. So, ayan guys, yun lang. So, this is MagSafe pala. So, in the online shop ng Casetify, you can choose whether you want MagSafe or without MagSafe. Ayan lang. So, I hope you like my video. If you have any question, please feel free to put a comment and like my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.